Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss question number 13 of chapter Force and Motion of class 9. Today we will solve this question, that is question number 13. Let us find out what is given, and I am trying to solve this question, that is question number 13. Right here I am writing solution and let us find what is the question. The question is, a bullet of mass 10 gram is travelling horizontally with a velocity of 150 meter per second, strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 second. Suppose this is a block of wood. A bullet of mass 10 gram. Suppose this is a bullet. The mass is 10 gram. A bullet of mass 10 gram travelling horizontally with a velocity, and its velocity is 150 meter per second, 150 meter per second, that is initial velocity u, right. It strikes a stationary wooden block and comes to rest in 0.03 seconds. Suppose it goes a certain distance and stops here. That means its final velocity is 0. Right. The mass is 10 gram, u is 150 meter per second, right, and time it takes is 0.03 second, 0.03 second or is, right. According to the first equation of motion, according to first equation motion, according to first equation motion, according to first equation of motion, we have to change it into SI system, that is mass is 10 gram. Here it is written that mass is 10 gram. If we change into kilogram, that is 10 by 1000, right. This point, this will cut, that is 0.01 kilogram, right. That is the mass of the object, right. Now, we will find what is the acceleration here, right. And according to first equation of motion, v is equal to u plus a into t, v is equal to u plus a into t, right. What is the velocity v? Velocity v is 0, therefore, it is written as 0. And what is the velocity of u? Initial velocity is 150 meter per second, therefore, 150 plus a is acceleration, and time, what we get the time, 0.03 second, that is 0.03, right. Therefore, we are getting it is minus 0.03 a is equal to 150, right. Therefore, acceleration is equal to 150 by, it is minus 0.03, right, 0.03, right. Therefore, we are getting minus 150 by 3 by 100, that is 3 into 100, right. Now, 3 5 is 15, it is 0, therefore, it is minus 5000 meter per second square. Why it is minus? Negative sign indicates that the velocity of the bullet is decreasing. Here you can write negative sign indicates, negative sign indicates that the velocity is decreasing, right. That is why it is retardation, or you can say it as deceleration, right. I will find next one, the next point is this is that now we will find the distance of penetration, right. And the distance of the formula according to third equation motion, according to third equation of motion, equation of motion, third equation of motion, we know that v square equal to square plus 2s, v square is equal to u square plus 2 into a into s. From here we will get the value of distance. What is v? V is 0, that is 0 is equal to u square. What is the value of u? 150 meter per second. Therefore, 150 square, 150 square plus 2 a. What is acceleration? Acceleration is minus 5000, that is minus 5000 and s, right. Therefore, we are getting this value, that is here in the left hand side it will be positive, that is 5 to the 10,000 s is equal to 150 square, that is 150 into 150, right, that is 150 into 150. Therefore, the value of s will be s is equal to 150 into 150 by 10,000, that is right, that is this one 10,000. If we multiply this one, you will get, that is 15 into 15, 15 multiplied by 15, 5 5 is 25, 1 is 5, 6, 7, 5 is 5, 1 is 1, that is 5, 12, 2 to 5. We are getting 2, 5, 0, 0 divided by 10,000, 1, 2, 3, right. Therefore, the point will be left side of 1, 2, 3, 4, that is from here 1, 2, 3, 4, right, that is 2.25. We are getting the value as 2.25 units meter, that is the distance, right. And also calculate the magnitude of the force exerted by the wooden block on the wood. We have to find the force. According to Newton's second law of motion, we know that F is equal to ma, force is equal to mass into acceleration, What is the value of mass? The value of mass is given as, the value of mass is 10 gram. You see, this was 10 gram, that is the value is actually 0.01 kg, right, 0.01. Therefore, it is 0.01 kg into acceleration. What is the value of acceleration? Acceleration is minus 5,000, right. Therefore, we got the value here that 5,000 and point is here, that is this point, this will be cut 50 Newton, right. That is the value. Therefore, force is equal to 50 Newton, that is the answer. Again I am explaining here, according to first equation of motion, v equal to u plus at, since it is at rest, v is equal to 0, u is equal to 150 plus a into t is 0.03, it is given, right. Therefore, the value of a we got minus 5,000 meter per second square. Negative sign indicates that the velocity is decreasing. Here also there is a negative sign. You see, this is F equal minus A, 50 Newton, that means it opposes the forces of the bullet, right. Negative sign means opposite in direction, the force acts in the opposite direction, right. That is the, that's why it is negative, right. According to Newton's third law of motion, we get v square equal to u square plus 2s, v is 0, u is 150, 2 a is minus 5,000, we got this one, and s, and the value of s is equal to 2.25 meter, right. And the force exerted by the wooden block is equal to m into a, m is 0.01 and a is minus 5,000, therefore, we have got the value as minus 50 Newton. Minus indicates that it is opposite to the motion of the bullet, that is in this direction, that is the force exerted. This is the force exerted in this direction by the block. That is why it is minus 50 Newton. Thank you everybody for watching this video.